Hello class, this is your instructor Ron Santos. I want to just add another piece here to an exam. When you get to the exams, usually every 2 weeks, or if there's 2 chapters, sometimes every 4 weeks. Here's exam 1 on chapters 6 and 10. I want to bring to your attention, view question details from exam. You're always going to want to look at this to study which questions you want to, from your homework and your quiz, to study for the exam. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so it's just, you don't have to disregard all of this stuff, but it's telling you it's the exam. And my exams are kind of long. For each chapter, you have quizzes that have 10 multiple choice questions. Okay? So each chapter that we cover, you'll have 10 multiple choice questions coming from the quizzes that you did. And they'll be similar to, which means they'll be algorithmic. So you can see here I have 10 multiple choice questions, or maybe 9, whatever there are, whatever's available. They'll be very similar to your quizzes that you take. So we start off with multiple choice questions for each chapter, and then as you go down, you'll see the points go up. There were 2 points each there. There are 5 points each here. These are questions from your homework. Okay, this is SF 6-10, so it's 610. That's one of your homework problems. It's similar to, again, it's the same type of and layout for the homework as it is for the exam. It's just the numbers will change. Okay, so there's no surprises on my exams. It's stuff you've seen before. So it's very important to do your quizzes. Even if you get the answers wrong on the quiz, it tells you what the answers are, the correct answers are. Same thing with homework. When you're doing your homework, it'll tell you your score. It'll tell you, there'll be a little red triangle up in the corner of your score. If you hover over that, it'll tell you what you put in. So if it was marked wrong, it'll tell you what you put in, and it'll have the correct answer. So even if you didn't get it right, you still have a study guide. So as you can see here, 610, 614, 616, 617, 618, and 621. Okay, all with 5 points apiece. They're from your homework. Then it'll be on the next chapter, 10 multiple choice questions from, in this case, chapter 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the exercises, 10-1, 10-3, 10-9, 10-20, 10-30A. These are from your homework. Again, good study guide to go by before you take the exam. I hope this helps. Have a great day.